Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at number 88, B-flat major scale skill. And this takes us through the whole octave from the low B-flat to the middle B-flat. We're calling that middle B-flat because the high B-flat, even though you're not likely to have seen that yet if you're going through this book, it is there. And you will run across that in literature from time to time once you're at like a high school level. But here we go. This is the scale skill. And we'll go 1, 2, medium tempo. Move on from scale skill to the man on the flying trapeze. So we are changing key here to the key of A flat, or key of E flat, where our A's are flat. The position A flats, natural, flat, half step difference there. And we're also counting in threes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. And this will be my version. So that's 90. Not spaced very well. The one I'm looking at. And for trombones only, number 91. There we go. I know I shouldn't be drinking coffee while playing my horn, but I do clean it regularly, so that's my excuse. Oh, so we're dealing with F's in sixth position here. Part B. here's C again. C is, I was thinking A, B, C, D, but it's actually A, B, C. So here's part C, and 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.